Hello Year 11, this is Mr. Mahmood, and in the next few minutes I will be discussing with you how to make best use of your mock exam profile that you can see in front here. So we have an example here for a student who was in 11W4, the name has been blacked out. So this person on paper 1 they scored 60 marks out of 100. Paper 2 they scored 35 and paper 3 they scored 39. They've got a total score of 134. This puts them on a grade 3 at the moment. Here are the grade boundaries. So this person who got 134 is 1 mark away from a grade 4, which was 135 marks, so they're 1 mark away. And if they wanted to get a grade 5, which is 178 marks, they are 44 marks away. Now our exams are made up of 3 papers, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. So if we divide the required mark by 3, you can see what they need per paper. Okay, so if this person can get 15 more marks per paper, that could equate to a grade 5. Now, it's now April. Now, the final exams will start in May. So we have got very little time left. So it's very important to be sharp and focused with our revision. So if I start looking through paper 1. So this person did well on question 1, well on question 2, did well on question 3. On question 4, ordering decimals, this person got 1 out of 2. The class average is 1.3. So this person should be looking to improve on the skill of ordering decimals. Now, how could they improve? So there's 2 things that I'm going to discuss right now. One way is you can watch the model solutions. So there's a separate video that goes through all of paper 1 work solutions. You can fast forward it to question 4 and you can watch how I demonstrate how you do that question. Now, another way is revision. Okay, so on mathswatch you can go and click number 3 and you can watch this topic explained in more detail. You can also use a revision guide and other videos as well, of course, but we've linked mathswatch clips to each skill. So you've got an easy way. Just go to click number 3, watch the video, try some more questions, make some notes on some key knowledge, improve your understanding, and then when you come back to it, hopefully you'll be better at it. So let me just give you an example then. If I went on mathswatch, so I'm on Google, I search for mathswatch, I click on the mathswatch website, right, so you'd log in, you click on videos. Now if I search for clip number 3, you can see ordering decimals comes up. Now this video clip is about 4 minutes. If I watch the video clip, she'll explain to me how to order decimals. I'm just going to put a little bit on.
In this question, I want to put these amounts of money in order, starting with the smallest. To help me do this, the first thing I'm going to do is line the amounts of money up. Now, I start looking at the digits from the left.
Now obviously you would watch this video clip one step at a time. She'll explain how to do that question. She'll do more examples. Yeah, you can watch it and hopefully get a better understanding of how to do it. If you want to watch a quicker clip, you can click on 1 minute maths, and within a minute she'll also explain the same topic but in a much faster way.
To put these numbers in order, I start by writing them out lined up like this. Then I fill in any missing zeros. Now I look at the first digit, I can see they're all zeros, so I look at the next digit. Here there's 1 0, so this must be the smallest number. These 2 numbers now both have 3 as the second digit, so I look at the third digit. Row must come next, followed by the one with the 4. Now I've only got 2 numbers left. They've both got a 4 for this digit, so I look at the next digit.
So she'll carry on explaining how to do it, and then she'll give some further questions to say, now you try these, and then she'll go through the answers. So if you watch the video clip, the 1 minute clip obviously went a lot faster. So if you're not really confident on the topic, watch the slower clip. But if you think I just want a quick refresher, 1 minute clip. And then the real test is to do some interactive questions. If you can do the interactive questions and get them right, so let's say if I was doing for this question here, right, what's the smallest number there? I think it's 0.37. Right, then I think it is 1.03, 1.07, 1.73, and 3.71. Now when you submit, if it goes green, you're getting it right. If it doesn't go green, you're not getting it right. You can try lots of these. Yeah, so if I'm going for this one, now if I got it wrong, for example, if I went if I thought the smallest number was 0.4, and then I went for 0.53, then I went for 0.245. If you get the answer wrong, obviously it won't go green. You try again, you think. So the actual smallest is actually 0.245, then it is 0.4, then it's 0.5, 0.53. So there's loads of questions that you can try that are standard questions, and then obviously you've got harder questions that you can try as well. So if you want to demonstrate that you're really good at the topic, do a lot more practice questions. So we looked at some skills on paper 1. Okay, the more topics you can pick up more marks on. Look, circumference of a circle, question 6. This person got 0 marks out of 3. So if they address that, that'll be 3 more marks. If they can work out the range and the mean, that's another 5 marks. If they learn how to factorize, that's another 4 marks there. So if you work on your weak areas, you will improve. Simple as that. On paper 2, this person only got 35 marks. So on paper 2, you can see there's a lot more weaknesses. Yeah, loads of skills to improve. On paper 2 was an afternoon exam. Students are often tired. Yeah, so in summary, you just need to make sure that any areas of weakness from paper 2 and from paper 3, so here you can see function machines, calculating with ratios, changing to a percentage, all these skills, perimeter, if you haven't got good marks on them, watch the video clip, watch the model solutions, right? Try further questions to demonstrate that you're improving. And hopefully you will improve, and then on the next exams you'll do better. Right, thank you, good luck.